There she is. And they're buying tickets. What is up everybody, welcome back to another video. So right now we are in Dehradun. I don't know the name of the place, but we are here at a petrol pump and we booked this auto. So we are filling up the gas. I'm with my friend Alex and we are exploring the Tibetan market today. And so if you're from Dehradun, guys, let me know in the comment section and tell me something interesting about your city so that we can visit next time. So here's my friend Alex.
What?
If you're like new to this channel, he is from Manipur. Very famous in Manipur. He is known as Baba Tinkul in Manipur.
Not so famous.
Don't believe him. Anyways. So far the city is treating us well. It has nice weather. Yeah, the people are kind and nice. So we are here at the Tibetan market. And this seems to be the main entrance because there is a mandir. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. So we have a long line that way, long line this way. So this is the mandir in the middle of the Tibetan market. Most of the stores are still closed. The market has just started, it seems. It says fixed price. Shop names, shop numbers are given on top so you can remember the shop. Check this out.
Chonky.
Chonky.
Chonky dogs.
Chunky dogs. Like there are a lot of like street dogs, but they are all healthy, very
Not
fit
healthy, bro.
and
Obese.
fat,
Obese.
obese, way too healthy. So the market is not that big; it's just long. It's a long market, and mostly we find like clothes. And the market seems to end right about here. This is just a namesake market. I'm utterly disappointed for some reason because my expectation was way too high. Bro, is this it? Are we going to the other end? No.
I think we have to go back.
Oh. So guys, let me know in the comment section if we are in the wrong Tibetan market because this seems to be very short and small. What will be our next course of action be?
Like we have to go back to the college and I have to like finish some deals.
Okay.
And then we have to check out before 12.
And
Then like
we still have some time. Our train will depart at 4:55, around 5 p.m.
we have to go to Paltan Bazaar.
Oh, let's go there instead.
And we'll f off from the college.
Beep off. Yeah, that's what he meant. We got a ride. Let's head back.
5733.
So हम जिस स्पीड से हम आए थे उसी स्पीड से वापस जा रहे हैं.
Just came to spend 400 rupees.
Yeah, 200 in, 200 out. Yeah, and one thing, like the city is very expensive in terms of transportation. So like the same distance in Delhi would have cost us around 60 to 70 rupees maximum. But here it's like more than double. It's like triple the price. The city is actually clean and like well maintained.
It's hobby to know, bro.
Yeah, hobby duro, bro. Oh guys, yeah, you know the trend, guys. Follow up in the comment section. Bombardilo, crocodilo.
Chimpanzini, bananini. Tropa tripi, tropa tripa. No, I forgot.
We are at the college, Uttaranchal University. We are about to have like lunch, and we are getting some VIP treatment. This is so unexpected. Bro, be like, what the heck is going on? So if you're wondering like where we are at the mess of food court of Uttaranchal University. Thank you. So if you can see, like behind me, there are a lot of students everywhere. But we are the only one like getting VIP treatment. All thanks to what, bro? What the heck is going on, man?
Sake. Japanese sake.
Japanese sake.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you. Thank you. Bas bas. Bro being humble.
It's humble Euro, bro.
Okay, thank you. Alright, so we can get started. So this is our lunch. And the university has like arranged like proper lunch for us. So thank you so much once again. And yeah, as you can see, we are in the food court. And yeah, none of them is like getting such VIP treatment, but only us. So how's the food? Good. Alright, so we'll catch you up after our lunch, guys. We are done with our like lunch, and like they provided us dessert also. So we're gonna have dessert and then we're gonna leave. It's hot gulab jamun. It's hot, guys.
Sino dessert. Sada Messi de to. Kuira sahi kya nongi matung nahi sada. Bong na sare ka how.
Now we are back at the room, and why is it so dark?
Back in or in? Back in the room.
Back in the room,
In
back
or
at the
out?
guest house.
Much better.
Okay, so we need to pack our things. Now it's time to leave. So we have packed everything and we're on our way out. So we're leaving the campus behind. Thank you Uttaranchal University for having us and for the warm hospitality and everything. It was amazing. And all the students who supported us.
Yo, my brothers.
All the brothers from Manipur. You guys are awesome.
You can see the mountain ranges over there.
Yeah, we can see the mountain.
I haven't seen that yesterday.
No, yesterday night it rained and so it cleared the sky. Oh, it's Jaguar F-Type on the streets.
Oh,
A red color.
I missed it.
We have booked our rides. Oh, Mercedes S-Class. People are rich here, bro. So we are saying bye to the university. We are standing outside the gate. We are waiting for our ride. It's getting hot now. Little by little, increasing.
Told you it's hotter than Imphal.
Haven't been to Imphal in more than 2 years.
Shut up, bro.
So-
Shut up.
Sorry.
Shut up. Shut the F up.
So we got our ride. Here's the one. Let's head out to the market. And also, I haven't like let my wife know that I am heading home sooner than I told her. So I was like supposed to be home tomorrow, but check this wheelie. Wheelie. But instead of tomorrow, I'm heading out today. हाँ जी भैया, वो पलटन बाजार किस तरफ है यहाँ से? अच्छा ठीक है। हाँ जी वहाँ वो पलटन बाजार। Let's see what we can find. Let's go. And so apparently this clock tower is very famous here. So like this is one of the tourist attractions. They call it Ghanta Ghar. Ghanta Ghar. Gaylord. Gaylord, bro. Wow. Bro got excited. And so the market starts here, right beside the highway. Yeah, Gaylord. Wow. Tinkle is happy. So this is like just like normal market. Paltan Bazaar is just a bazaar where you get a lot of
Look at the
clothes.
Jordan.
Oh,
No. Look at the Jordan logo, bro.
wow. Jordan logo is. What is wrong with Jordan? He started kicking football. He left basketball. 200 rupees sale, just like Sarojini.
Jordan in a parallel universe.
Good one. So we'll try to find
Gift shop.
gift shop. Okay.
Could stay, right?
Souvenir.
Like,
We'll ask. All right. Oh, there's another market that side. That side seems to be a big market. So starts from 150 rupees. People waiting. Oh, so many jewelries. Jewelry. Nice. If my wife was here, She would have been so happy
Let's buy
seeing
one
all the
for
jewelry.
Layoma.
Where?
You can buy one.
Yeah. Let's see. Let's go and see. Looks nice. Let's buy some gold, guys, for my wife. I don't know what she will like, but let's see some. How about these things? Like, choose a nice design, but this is too big. Small one. And this one she already has. We want something smaller. I'm not sure what to buy. Oh, sorry sir. ये छोटा में होगा इससे ये शॉर्ट लॉकेट शॉर्ट नहीं इसका लॉकेट जो है ना वो छोटा होना छोटा नहीं
लॉकेट तो कोचिंग कड़े चूड़ी
हाँ
बैंगल्स अंदर चलेगी बैंगल्स कोई नहीं जाएगा नहीं है
सामान
थोड़ा बैग निकाल दीजिए
let's see what we can get बैग निकाल के कहाँ यार नहीं था
Bangles.
we'll see some bangles
भैया यहाँ रख
jewelry
भैया कड़े दिखा देना
so these are the options and bro is looking for rangin wala
Just call my sister.
okay I cannot call her because it needs to be a surprise. Yeah, so I don't know what she'll want. Something simple but elegant. There are a lot more.
This simple sober सब करो.
Bro got some bangles for his sister, but I'm not sure what to buy for my wife. I'm so confused. I need to get something though. Guys, I found Ibiza. What do you think will be good, according to you?
I the high road. Like it's for Bobby. It's your responsibility. So you handle it.
If I take earrings, she's got a lot of earrings already. What should I get?
Stop contemplating. Just get something.
I don't know, man.
So indecisive. Are you on PMS or what?
It's getting hot as well. Wow, metal rickshaw. We still need to find gift shop also. So there's still some hope that I might find something interesting. Do they have anything interesting here? Maybe I'll find in the gift shop because I don't see anything interesting.
Bro
as
is
of yet.
very dumb. Bro is dumb.
Yeah, I am dum.
Dumb is what? Very dumb.
So we got the gifts. So I got something which will be useful for her. He said the gift shop is that side, but we need to like re-verify from someone else. Excuse me, भैया ये like gift का दुकान कहाँ पे होगा?
गिफ्ट
हाँ gift
गिफ्ट पैक होता
gallery.
है ये भैया
अच्छा ये है क्या?
नेशनल न्यूज़
यहाँ पे?
हाँ यहाँ पे
He showed us this. It doesn't look like a gift shop. What do you think? No, thank you. That doesn't look like a gift shop at all. How about this, bro?
Bro, like it's just stationery. I think.
Stationery. Seems like they don't have proper gift shop. We were misguided by someone. Yeah. So let's go back inside the market because that uncle didn't know shit. He was pointing us out of the market. We are somewhere in the market. I'm still unable to find something. And there, oh, there's a mosque. There's a market beside the mosque. Nice. Hobby Duro, bro. What are we looking for? We are unable to find what we're looking for. Souvenir shop or gift shop, whatever comes first. Bro, here's a gift shop for kids. Maybe you can find inside souvenir. ऐसा कुछ जो देहरादून का वो याद दिलाए, ऐसा कुछ जो देहरादून में बना हो, ऐसा कुछ.
नॉर्मल गिफ्ट आइटम्स है हमारे पास बट प्रॉपर देहरादून की तरह
For your sister, what else?
Bro is happy to see Hot Wheels anywhere. We stopped by this cloth shop looking for something.
We are looking for traditional clothes.
So we got a lot of options, but we don't know what to buy because I really don't know what my wife will want and will not want. And also, I don't want it to like sit in the wardrobe. I want her to use it, so it should be something which can be used. So I found this one. They said it will go with what kurti and all.
And it's also trending right now
Yeah.
in Dehradun.
Trending in Dehradun. It's 450, and that's another option. This boy is happy.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so yeah, we'll take this and that, and that will be it, I guess. Now the time is 2:53, and we're heading towards the station. And somebody's in emergency. It's hot now. It's getting really hot.
It's not an emergency.
VIP. Bye bye Dehradun. So we arrived at this station, right from where we started. Small model of the train, and that's the station. Now we are inside the station, and this is the train. It says New Delhi Dehradun 12018. So this is the train. So the station is well maintained, clean, and the train number is also displayed up there. 12018. It's 3:03. Our train will depart at 4:50. Take rest for a while. It's time to leave. The time is 4:33, and our train will leave in a while. We have to find C1. It's a long train. So many coaches. We have reached C3. We're heading to C1. Okay. This seems to be manual. 77, 78. Last seat.
Nice.
Bro, just as you wanted. Just two of us. Oh, this time only two I took. Oh, no. Oh, yeah, we're on the right side this side.
Yes.
So this side is like 3 people, and this side is 2.
Nice.
Somehow similar, but not the same. Vande Bharat was cleaner and like better than this. Yeah, the door was automatic and in the other one. So this one. Oh, door closes automatically, but it doesn't open automatically. And so this is the washroom of Shatabdi train. So you get hand sanitizer and water that runs. Washroom is clean, hygienic, and there's a flush button, something I don't know, and spray. Good. It's not bad, but it's not as good as the one which we boarded in Vande Bharat. But it's okay. And then we started watching movies. Now the time is 8:26 and it's dinner time. So we got chicken, vegetable, roti. Oh, veg people. Enjoying our dinner. Now the time is 10:46 and we are about to reach our final destination, which is New Delhi railway station, and I'm going to give a surprise to my wife. And in the meantime, my sister-in-law is on her way from Imphal, and my wife and her friend went to receive her. So they're on their way back, like they will be taking the metro. So we might meet them at like New Delhi metro station, or I don't know. Like we'll like coordinate. I will ask them to like keep me posted, and so like I'll give them a surprise.
Surprise.
Stay tuned. It's gonna be awesome. So we just arrived at New Delhi railway station. So we have to go out to get metro. Let's head out towards the metro now. Direct. Yes. We're gonna give them a surprise. So they are not yet here at New Delhi railway station. So my wife has not like texted me yet. They have left from T3 airport. I'm in Terminal 3. I'm very excited, and yeah, let's give her a big surprise.
เรามีเข่งอันหนึ่งไว้ในข้างล่างเดี๋ยวว่าประชาชน กับพากับพามากันแต่ไม่ต้องหนึ่งนะมาซาจลังตักเลยไล่แพ็กก็ให้ฉันเหมือนว่าลังตักนั่นนะมาวิ่งจะช่วยแอร์พอร์ตไปหลักก่อนมาเซอร์ไพรส์ต้องหนึ่งนะมาซาจข้างหลังนั่นเลย
My wife just rang me up, so they arrived at New Delhi metro station. Now they need to find like yellow line. So before that, I need to reach.
Anand Bihar,
New Delhi railway station to metro station, somewhere around there. Sadigam is this? No, it's 15 to 1. Is this for metro also? Yeah, I think so. Bro, come, let's go. We're entering the yellow line. So hopefully we'll meet them here. Otherwise, let's go down.
New Delhi Metro.
Excitement super level high. They might be exchanging their lines here too. So let's see. There she is. And they're buying. Talk is no talks.
Chẳng rồi đó. Hi.
You guys know.
How did you feel? Hi. How are you? That wife. Hi, son. No, we don't need ticket. We don't need ticket.
We are already celebrating.
How do you feel?
This is like, wow, so good. How did you guys plan?
Oh, coordination. We ran.
I was running.
We were running with the luggage. Let's go down. And yes, we met again finally. Nice. Maza hi maza. You know, I told her to buy chicken and she was like, no, only tomorrow after you arrive. Pleasant surprise, plan successful, guys. So we'll catch you again in another video. Yeah. Okay, bro, then we'll catch you up again in another video.